YouTube, it is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently August 5th. We took one trade today. It was a winning trade, as you guys can see right here. It ran for a shitload of points, but we only took a little portion of it. Caught about 36 points. Made a total of 213 on 6 accounts. So 213 times 6. 1278 total on the day. Very nice trade. We made back our loss from yesterday. Basically, we're only down about $7 on each account for the week, so very good trade. I did not have confidence to hold all the way to these lows at all. My original TP was here, but I definitely saw us coming and reversing off this level here after taking out these lows over here. Taking out all these lows here, I definitely saw us reversing here, so I just took my profit, and I was happy with my profit, but it did end up running for an extra like 100 points. So I did miss out on a absolute banger of a trade. But what I saw happening after we take out this one standard deviation was us going to come back, reverse, stop me out at break even, and then move lower. Possibly tap into this breaker right here, where this market structure shift was. And I did not want to do that, so I just took my profits end of the day. So I took a small portion of this trade. Still a very nice trade overall, and full TP did run plus a whole lot. I definitely wouldn't have held all the way down to here, this 4-hour low. There was just not enough volume for me, and as you guys can see, it is like a slow chop down, and we easily could have reversed at any time because overall I was bullish on the day coming into the day. So coming into the day, I was bullish. We pumped up at market open. As you guys can see, let me go to the lower time frame. Market open, we came down, we swept out all these lows. We started buying back up. There was an SMT here, but not with ES. There was an SMT with YM. I usually don't check YM, but somebody said in the Discord that YM already took these highs, and as you guys can see, YM did take these highs already, so this is still considered an SMT. I should start using YM as another confluence alongside ES, and just click through it, maybe ES and YM on this side, and then just trade NAS. But ES did not take this high, and YM, you guys can see ES did not take this high either, but YM did, so there is still an SMT. That I did not see. So coming into around this time frame, I was still very bullish until somebody said that SMT was there, and then news came out. We had 10 a.m. PMI news right here, as you guys can see. I was literally about to take this long right here. I was so confident in this long. We inversed that 1 minute after rebalance to 1 minute here. We also rebalanced equilibrium of this range. And I thought we were going to go higher after this 1 minute inversion, but that was all just a fake out. This was about to be my trade right here, and we would have been stopped out on this trade, but I said, I'm going to wait till news because it's PMI and easily something can happen. My boy Travis actually took this trade, and he got filled all the way like down here, somewhere on this news candle. You guys can see we had a massive wick down. There was even this gap in the market, which you rarely see unless there's big candle news. So I just waited for news. I knew news was going to be some sort of crazy news because it's PMI. After that, news came out very bearish, and I definitely just wanted to see sell off the rest of the day. We had this 2 minute inversion here. After we got this 2 minute inversion, I was fairly confident we were at least coming to these lows, and then potentially this 15-minute low right here where my TP1 was, and then this was my original TP. TP2 was these lows here, but we slowed down, and I expected us to reverse off this level here, so I did not hold. I took my profits and got out. I know my chart looks very hectic right now. I got to clear it up a little, but my original entry was based off, we got this 5-minute market structure shift right here. We got a 5-minute close below this low here. And then if you go down to the lower time frame, we came up into a 1 minute fair value gap. And after we came up to that 1 minute fair value gap right here, we actually never came back up to equilibrium of this entire range, but we came to this 1 minute fair value gap, and then we instantly sold off. This was a great bearish candle straight through these lows and all these lows here, creating a CISD market structure shift. So I just entered based off that. Stop was at the 1 minute fair value gap tap into. TP1 was that 15-minute low right here, and then TP2 was standard one's deviation of this manipulation leg up. So I gotta pull it the other way, where it was of this range actually. You guys can see standard one deviation of this high and then this low here. So easily could have seen a reversal off this level here. So I got out. I got out of the trade, and honestly, I think that was a smart idea because we could have easily rebounced. We rebounced to pretty much nothing here, and we just sold off again. This could have been a re-entry right here. Right here stops above these highs, but I was already done for the day. And I took my profits, got done. This trade was literally like 10 minutes. Yep, exactly 10 minutes. Made about $1,300, and that was it for the day. We made back our loss from yesterday. I was happy with my profit, so I got out. I didn't want to get too greedy. I definitely saw this coming up, stopping us out at break even and then running. So I just took my profits, got out of the trade, and that's it. So we move on to tomorrow. Hopefully we can catch a full banger, like this whole 100 points. This trade really gives me FOMO because I missed out on such a beautiful short entry. But I really don't even see myself holding all the way. Like, farthest I probably would have TP'd was standard 2 deviation of that range. And that would have been 80 points. I only would have made an extra. So my original TP was 30. That would have made an extra 50 points. I would have made an extra $200 on each account. So would have been up like $400 total. And then if I held all the way down to here, 110 minus 30 is 80. 80 times 4, we would have made an extra 320 per account, or just 2 micros if I held. But it is what it is. Can't think like that in trading. You have to take your profits and get out when you can, because any of these levels could have been a reversal area. We could have easily reversed and just start buying back up from here. We easily could have reversed from my original TP to right here, and we easily could have reversed from the standard 2, 2.5, or the 4 hour. Like, we could have reversed from any of these levels. There was no like clear draw if you guys look on the left. And this was all slow chop down, honestly. Like, we could have reversed off any of these lows here. Even this order block tap, but we just didn't. We just displaced through it. But on the lower time frame, this was like low-key a slow delivery. Like, it was a slow delivery here, and then volume picked up after I got out. Like, volume picked up as soon as we inversed this candle, then volume picked up, and we just displaced 80 points as soon as I got out. But it is what it is. That's the trade for today. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe. Our accounts are now back at 52,980 on this top one. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me bring it up. 50,900 about, 50,850, 50,800, and then these ones are up 170, 180. So we're still in a great position. I just need 2 more days on this top account to request a payout, but honestly, I might just try to build to the max payout because we only need like $1,000 more bucks. And I think I could do that within the next 2 weeks as long as I just keep following my plan, following my risk management, and minimizing my loss. We are break even on the week now, so that's all good. We need 2 more trading days of 50 plus. $50 needs to be a win. 2 $50 wins, and I could request a payout, but I don't know if I will. I might try to build to the 2,000 payout, but we'll see. But use code ZAC for 80% off all accounts. That's going to be it for this trade recap. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe. We made back our money from yesterday. We are break even on the week now, so let's end the week green. Do we have news tomorrow? Let's check real quick. We have no news tomorrow. Thursday we have unemployment claims at 8, and then IVPMI, that's CAD. It's Canadian. And then Friday we have unemployment change to unemployment rates. That's also Canadian, so we should get some good price action the rest of the week, hopefully. And yeah, that's going to be it for this trade recap. Peace out, y'all.